Hello, I'm Catherine Golightly.
And I'm Maria Hughes.
And we both work for Wrexham Council's Waste and Recycling team. You, the residents of Wrexham, have been recycling now for many years, and thanks to all your efforts, our recycling rate has risen from a mere 3% back in 2002 to as much as 55% today.
We've now been challenged by the Welsh Government to achieve a recycling target of 70% over the next 10 years, and to do this we need your help. With just a bit more effort from everyone to reduce, recycle and compost as much waste as possible, we are sure that we can not only achieve this recycling target, but also become one of the best performing authorities in Wales.
You are all in no doubt already familiar with some of the more common items that we can currently recycle through Wrexham's curbside recycling scheme. Items include plastic bottles, food and drinks cans, glass bottles and jars, newspapers and card, and not forgetting all of your garden and food waste.
But in addition to these recyclables, we would like to remind you that we can also collect old aerosols, such as deodorants, hairspray and shaving foam, clean tin foil or old foil trays, shredded paper, which can be wrapped in a sheet of old newspaper to prevent it blowing away on collection day, greetings cards and envelopes, and don't forget though, you could also reuse some of your envelopes by putting a sticky label over the address or window.
Please also remember that you start to use your garden waste bins as much as possible for all of your green waste. Food waste too, including any leftover cooked food, eggshells, tea bags, coffee granules, meat and fish bones. These can all go into your green waste bin, or alternatively, in some parts of Wrexham, your silver food waste caddy.
So please, can we ask you to make every effort from now on to reduce, recycle, compost as much of your waste as possible to help make Wrexham a cleaner, greener, better place to live. Thank you.
Diolch yn fawr.